DDM Garage Doors carries 4 sizes of C-channel. 1 3/8 inch by 3 inch for 1 3/8 inch thick doors, 1 3/4 inch by 3 inch for 1 3/4 inch thick doors, 2 inch by 2 inch for 2 inch thick doors, and 2 inch by 3 inch for 2 inch thick doors. There are 3 main criteria for selecting C-channel retainers. First, thickness of the door. The thickness of the C-channel has to fit the thickness of the door. Second, height of the retainer. Use the least that you need. Third, correcting problems with the door. For example, if the bottom of your wooden garage door is rotting or delaminating on the outside, the 3-inch C-channel retainer could cover the rot and stabilize the bottom of the door. The 3-inch C-channel can also be used on the bottoms of steel doors that have been hit or are rusting. The retainer will not only cover the rust, but it will strengthen the bottom of the door. If there is a gap under the door due to an uneven floor or bottom section, the C-channel retainer can be lowered to minimize or remove the gap. However, this usually requires lowering the bottom fixtures to eliminate the binding as the bottom of the door reaches the open position. This is dangerous, and it is usually better left to the professionals. We hope this has been helpful. Thank you for watching.